So this video will show you how to get to and from the University of Utah to Salt Lake City Airport using the TRAX system. We're going to use the Fort Douglas station, and there's other stations on the University of Utah campus. This would apply for many of those. Just take the one closest to where you're at. I'm going to start by going to the airport and then coming back. If you want to see coming back, go to the timestamp that I show on the screen here. We downloaded the Transit app. That'll tell you how to get anywhere using Utah Transit. It's the app that they recommend. Also the Utah app that allows you to purchase tickets. We purchased a all-day pass. Single direction is $250, so we're doing round trip, which is $5, which is the same. So we just did the all day. If you're a University of Utah student, your U card gets you on the Utah transit system, so you don't need to pay. So we're gonna take the red line to Courthouse Station, where we'll then transfer to the green line to the airport. The Fort Douglas station right here. You'll see it's right near Calhart. And then across the street is Upper Campus. Looks like you can also buy tickets here if you need to. So they have little displays here, tell you when the next train is. This next red train to Daybreak Parkway, which is the direction we're going, is 8 minutes. So I activated my day pass. So we'll see what happens, but we bought a pass, we activated it. Again, if you're a University of Utah student, you have your U card, so you shouldn't have to worry about any of this. So a day pass appears to expire that day. It's not 24 hours. So if you tap it, you do get a QR code, so maybe they scan this in. You probably scan this on the buses maybe. I'm not sure about TRAX. We'll see what happens when we board. So this is red in direction to Daybreak is what we're going to take. Pretty nice car. Nice seats. It's pretty big. It's air conditioned. So there's a LED screen there that tells you the next station, and they announce it over the loudspeaker. So we're checking tickets. So we're doing anything with the ticket. So I don't know how it is depending on when you get on or where you get on or which line. I think we just missed the airport.
Courthouse.
Yep.
5th South.
So it looks like a green line
Exit
to
here
airport
for
just
blue
left.
and green line trains to downtown.
So it'll be 13 minutes the next green line to the airport. So I think you're gonna, unless the train gets in early and you can make the green line to the airport, you're gonna be waiting probably 10 to 15 minutes. So this is Courthouse Station. When they say station, it's really, you know, in the middle of the road, a platform type thing. I guess they have different cars. This looks like it might be older maybe. It's got steps to go up and down. So I guess it all depends on which tram car you get. But you may need to walk up and down steps with your luggage. So it seems like the fares on the tram are more of compliance, you know, where they expect you to buy it, and then they probably have people checking it randomly and maybe during busier times. But there is nowhere to like show your pass. Here comes the green line to the airport. See, it says it right on the train, Green Airport.
Yeah.
Pulling into the airport now. So it took about 55 minutes, give or take. So I'd say it's about an hour. There's signs, terminal, all gates this direction. So once you get here, you just follow the signs to the terminal. Alright, here's the terminal. Check in all gates this direction. So you're going to take the escalator, stairs, or elevator up to level 2. Security, all gates, level 3 check-in. So you go up to level 3 for check-in. If you have baggage, you should be able to just go to TSA security. If you just have your boarding pass, you don't have any checked baggage. Now you're on level 3, all the check-in desks. So that's how you get to the airport from the University of Utah using the TRAX system. So I'm going to show how you ride the TRAX system from Salt Lake City Airport to the University of Utah. I'm starting at right where you come out of the doors when you get off your flight before baggage claim. So after you exit the doors, you're walking out, you just head straight. Baggage claim is right here, so if you need to get bags, you'll be on one of these carousels. once you do get your bags, or if you don't have any bags, if you look at the signs, it'll say light rail level 1. That's what you're looking for. So it's not going to say tracks up here, it will say light rail. Level 1, light rail. And you'll see a sign here, light rail. It's going to be straight ahead. The sign doesn't exactly say that, but if you go down straight ahead, it's going to be to this area. So at the end of this hallway, here's the sign that says light rail. Exit through these doors. So you'll exit through these doors, level 1, and go to the left. So it's going to say green, West Valley. That's the direction you want to go. Oh, 12 minutes. So we're rushing around, but it looks like it's not going to leave for 12 minutes. So we're going to take the green line from the airport, and we're going to get off at Courthouse Station right here and transfer it to the red line and take it to the University of Utah. They do have ticket kiosks here if you do need to buy a ticket. Again, if you're a University of Utah student, you do not need a ticket. You can use your UID to ride the TRAX. The train's heading out now, and we will get off at Courthouse Station. They do make announcements on the train. Depending on where you're sitting, there's an LED you can see that will tell you what station's coming up.
Courthouse. Fifth south.
False alarm, that one.
Exit here for red line trains to the University of Utah.
Getting off at Courthouse Station. Again, station is not really a station, it's a platform in the middle of the street, just so you have expectations. It'll tell you on the station board there, red line to University Medical is 12 minutes. So we have a 12-minute wait till the red line. The trains are red, white, and blue, so don't think that has anything to do with what line they're on. It's what it says on top of the screen on the train, not the color of the train or anything. Comes the red University Medical Center. So we're on the red line to the University Medical Center. We're going to get off at Fort Douglas Station, but there are at least 3 other stations on the campus or in the campus area. We're at Stadium Station, the first one on the campus, the South Campus stop.
Fort Douglas, second south.
So there's the bridge you would take to get to Upper Campus, walk across. And we're at Fort Douglas Station. So the ride from the airport took just under an hour. So that's how you ride the TRAX to go to and from the university to the airport. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below.